everybody, my name is Petra Ford and welcome to today's workshop entitled Jackpot Reinforcement, a Powerful Training Tool. So what is it? What do I mean when I say jackpot? I'm talking about the highest value reinforcer for this particular dog. Now that can be very, very, very different from one dog to another, right? And it is the one thing that they value above anything else like that's available to them. Food or toy delivered in a certain way. So it could be that you take the food in your hand and you move it in a way that makes it look like prey. Maybe that's your dog's highest value reinforcer because it's chasing, right? It's combining the food with chasing the food. It could be cookie tosses, right? So you're taking the dog, maybe the dog loves food, but it loves it even more if you do multiple high chase cookie tosses, right? And then that is what you are going to label your jackpot for that dog, okay? So what are the benefits of using a jackpot? Well, for one, it increases the dog's motivation. All dogs are not inherently motivated to work for the sake of working, right? Zaina does not like rules. She's like, oh, you want to work? Cool, but it should be a party. There is no question about that. She's working for me because I am the avenue that leads to the reinforcer she wants. And it better be worth her while, because if it's not worth her while, she cannot be bothered. All right, now, I don't get emotional about that. I'm not upset about that. My feelings are not hurt. It is what it is. Perfectly fine. I can work with that. All right.